All right. Howdy, folks. It's Bowling Full here. And what do we have today but the Belmo Identity Ball by Storm. This is one that I bought a couple months ago. Thought it was going to be a limited edition, and they lied to me. So I decided to poke some holes in it. And layout is on the screen. Stand at 25. Oh! All right. So the numbers on this ball, the RG and the diff, are very similar to the Piranha Power Core Pearl, which I do love. It's actually my #1 ball right now. And the only difference between this one and that one is this one is an ASIM. I think the intermediate difference, 1.11. And we are dealing with post-league lane conditions once again. Came here right after league. It is nighttime. Stand at 25. Boom, there we go. So a pretty good shaping ball. I'm pretty impressed with it so far. Let me know if you got the Belmo, if you got this one or if you're buying the new one that came out. I don't think the new one's gonna sell out immediately just because people learn from this one. 25 again. Bam. Very good. Very hard hitting ball. I like this ball. I like it. And I'm not a Storm fan. So I don't have many Storms. I got the Phase 2, the Ion Max, the High Road 40, and the Belmo ball. So yeah, 4 of them along with a Storm mix. Let's see what we can do with this bad boy. There we go. So I'm going down to the California Bowling Tour, doing a tournament down there in Reno. The end of this month, the end of July. And I may just bring this one. I don't know. I'm bringing 3 motives and 3 B7s right now. This one's shaping pretty good. Stand at 25, my happy spot. Oh, come back, come back. There we go. So the motives that I'm bringing, EXJ Jackal, the Evoke Hysteria, and the Max Real Hybrid. And the B7s I'm bringing are the Hypnotize, the Piranha Power Core, and I haven't decided on the weak ball yet. I've got a choice of 4 weak balls for B7. Stand at 25. Come back, come back. Oh, there we go. Hell yeah. So my choice is a weak ball. For B7, it's going to be the Rhino Ivory Pearl, the Fireball, the original Fireball, the Sneak Attack, or the Low Flare. I have not decided which one I want to bring. So I brought the Fireball tonight to see how that works. At 25 again. Come back. Oh, damn. Cheated me. Went right in front of it. Oh, went right in front of that 9-pin. Yes, these are strings. Yes, that was almost a messenger. Want to give a shout out to the Broski. He shot a 279 tonight in league with the Jackal Onyx. So good job, broski. That's his highest game to date, and I'm thinking I'm on a Jackal Onyx now after that. Boom. So let me know if you guys got the Jackal Onyx and how you like it. I've heard nothing but good things. It's a badass looking ball. And after broski scored with it, he definitely sold it for me. Although this ball is looking pretty good too right now. Keeps standing 25, keeps doing magic for me. Oh no. Ah, got it way too outside. That's on me. So if you guys are interested in the jig that I sell, I'll be at the Reno, California Boulders Tour at the end of this month, July weekend. I think it's July 26th, 27th, 28th, or 27th, 28th, 29th. If you guys are interested in a jig, I'm going to do a show special, $500 a jig. Take $100 off if you're going to be there. I'll bring a few jigs with me. So let me know down in the comments if you're going to be there and you want one of my jigs. Oh, that was horrible. It's way too fast. Alright, can I get the spare? Can I keep it a clean game? I think so. Oh, damn. Nope, not quite. Okay, so that would be a 226 with the Belmo Identity ball. Not too shabby, pretty good shape and ball. If anybody's still watching out there and you entered my free giveaway for the Hammer rotating ball cup, type in Belmo 1 in the comments. Belmo 1 in the comments, and I'll give you another additional entry to that giveaway. So there it is, folks. There's a Belmo Identity. Let me know if you guys have this, if you like it. That's a pretty good shape of ball. I'm going to do a couple more games with it and see what I can do. I do like the shape of it so far. And I want to thank everybody for watching and supporting my channel. Until next time, see you on the lanes.